What's up? So, hello. This is another trade recap, going over what happened yesterday. So, at around Asia session at the start of 7 o'clock in the afternoon, I came in to see what was going on. I had to get a refund for my glasses because they weren't working well for anti-glare at night. So, I mean, if you know, you know. But basically, right here. So, pre-Asia session, we've seen price. Oh, so this was another trade that I forgot to record and take. I might have a trade recap on that one, but I didn't record the screen. I forgot to record a screen for that one, so that doesn't count. But yeah, man, that sucks. This was at CPI, so this was a day before CPI, so kind of reason why price was a bit choppy. And anyway, that's the only time that's ever gonna happen. I'm gonna be transparent with my recaps. I did lose this one, but I did lose this one. Not a significant amount, but I did lose. I just forgot to press record. So no, we're not gonna go over that. But we're just gonna focus on this though. Coming to pre-Asia. Price was doing there was a massive sell-off there was a massive sell-off after this order block. At this order block was fuck, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, of this order block, it was going to go and attack high time frame buy stops, go up here, and look for areas of liquidity. Take those out, take those buy stops, and then offset those to go attack sell side liquidity. So yeah, so there was a massive sell-off right here, and at New York, and then as there was a change of state of delivery, market structure shift coming up toward at the end of the day, and at the end of the day, we saw price go up right here at start of Asia session. We started seeing price rally up a little bit, just a little bit, and then boof. There was strong selling pressure, buying pressure. I'm sorry, and basically at the higher time frames, price looked like it was going to. Price looked like there was a change of market structure shift on the 15-minute, on the 5-minute, and let's see if it was on the 1 hour. Yeah, and on the 1 hour as well. And so what I did was I was like, okay, bet. So I wanted to find the first 5-minute fair value gap. That was tapped in and respected towards the overall sell side. I'm sorry, the overall buy side, which was previous day highs. But so I went through to buy over here. I'm pretty sure it was at around here. I pressed I put a buy limit and put my stop loss at this candle's low, and at the third candle that made the FEG, and put my take profit at originally my take profit was going to be over here, but just because how I saw price was moving, and we were already in such a I thought we were at high premium. I thought no more buyers would probably want to enter here just because of this aggressive this aggressive buying pressure. I was like, nah, maybe let it for it to cool down, but I think FOMO got the best of me. But either way, I don't know. I could have been wrong. So I set a buy limit over here at the FEG, and then I just targeted at the previous day highs, but again, like I said, price wasn't moving the way I wanted to move. You see this, so I was like, I don't know if this is gonna be realistic, so I just put it right around here, here. No, it was I remember it was something somewhere around here, just because, just for the safety of it. I just want my buy my take profit range doesn't need to be that long. At maximum it needs to be at 40 ticks, 40 ticks. So so yeah, and 10 pips. So that's all it really needs to be at. I trailed my stop loss, and yeah, I have a video on it on TikTok. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but yeah, that's my trade recap for today. And this was this arrow right here. I initially put it there, right, that was before the trade, right? So I put it there right before the trade. And I was predicting where market could go. I didn't think it was actually gonna go here. I was like, it'd be, there was a chance, but I thought that it was I didn't think that it was gonna actually, hit it. But obviously we hit that. We hit previous day's highs, and obviously this big fucking accumulation shit happened at London. So and then at New York, we took out a bunch of sell stops over here. So grab that money and then go back up to these highs right here. So this is very interesting to see. But yeah, that's my trade recap. So one thing I want to try to do better is try to kind of put more my max risk is 250, but I don't really play by my max risk rules. Rather, I just go whatever is convenient. So I beginner friendly, convenient. Even though I'm not really a beginner, I'd say 1 to 2 contracts max, maybe even 3. But I mean, it is what it is. But I made about I think I made about 100. Let me see how much I made. I made about $156.52. I made about $156.52 off the eval, and I'm gonna try to go for more, just because I kind of confuse price like micro gold price with MNQ is just because like I just recently made the switch over just because MNQ wasn't delivering how I wanted to deliver. So yeah. Also, I just heard that Asia session gold is just a lot better. So yeah, I had to like kind of disengage from the overall crowd and noise you guys see on TikTok if you guys are part of the trading community. But yeah, this is just where I'm at right now. Try to at least try to pass this eval before try to pass this eval. But it is what it is. I'm happy for what I have. I could do better though. I'm trying to I put on filler words just to say random shit. But yeah. Yeah, so that's the trade recap overall. There's not much to not need to explain. I believe I did put a sell limit. I think I put a sell limit like right here. I believe so. Like of 1, and then trailed my stop loss to break even. And then after that, what it price just aggressively just like wanted to go down like this twice. I was kind of scared. So I turned my computer off, and then after that, like once I heard from the computer, I didn't turn it off, but I just switched it around. Once I heard order filled, I looked at it. I immediately was like, let's go. So it was a dub. And yeah, that's all I really have to say. More recaps will be coming soon. Hopefully we could try to get more winning trades to execute with precision, and try to handle our trades with much care. So yeah, that's all I really have to say. Not much. I'm right now sitting in the parking lot at my college. I don't go to college, but like at my old college that I dropped out about a year ago. So yeah, shit, I don't even have the right words to say it, but yeah, I'm gonna see you guys later. Yeah, that's it. Peace.